Hello students, today we are here with our worksheet number 39, subject science class 9. In the last worksheet student we discuss about the force, and today we are here to discuss about the first law of motion. Student, as you all know that there are three laws of the motion given by the Newton, and today we discuss only about the first law of motion. Gyan, Jigyasa Didi, why do we feel jerk in the forward direction when brakes applied suddenly on the moving bus? So students, you also notice that condition whenever you travel outside by a bus, by a car, by any type of vehicle. Whenever brake apply to it, you move forward, and whenever suddenly a rest bus start moving, you will jerk backward. Why this happens? Now listen from Jigyasa Didi. Gyan, we get its answer by Newton's first law of motion. According to this law, an object remain in the state of rest or in a motion unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. So student, what is Newton's first law? First law says that any object, if it is in the state of rest, it remain at rest. If it is in motion, it remains in motion until or unless you applied an external force. For example, if there is a book lying on the table, it is in the rest position, it remain at rest student until or unless you apply force to hold it up. बुक आपकी टेबल पर रेस्ट में ही रहेगी जब तक आप फोर्स लगाकर उसे उठाएंगे नहीं, या उसको पुश नहीं करेंगे, या पुल नहीं करेंगे. अगर आप ड्राइव कर रहे हैं स्ट्रेट लाइन में तो आपकी गाड़ी मोशन में ही रहेगी अनटिल और अनलेस आप उस पर ब्रेक अप्लाई करेंगे या नहीं. ये बात डिपेंड करती है. जैसे ही हम फोर्स लगाते हैं वो ऑब्जेक्ट अपना स्टेट चेंज कर लेते हैं. ठीक है बेटा. द नेचुरल टेंडेंसी ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट to change or to resist its position is called inertia. बेटा उसकी ये जो कैपेसिटी है, नेचुरल टेंडेंसी है कि वो अपने यूनिफॉर्म मोशन या स्टेट ऑफ रेस्ट को चेंज करने का अपोज करती है, उसे बोला जाता है इनर्शिया. ओके, अब हम ज्ञान का क्वेश्चन ले रहे हैं यहाँ पर. इन अ मूविंग बस एवरीथिंग इज इन अ मोशन, बट व्हेन ड्राइवर अप्लाई ब्रेक्स. Student, whenever driver apply brakes, suddenly the bus gets stopped, but upper part of our body is still in a motion, so we move to fall forward and we feel a jerk in forward direction. You always notice that, but you don't even know the reason behind that. So let's study today. तो बेटा जब भी आप बस में ट्रैवल करते हैं तो बस में जैसे ही चलती है बस, तो हमारी बॉडी का लोअर पार्ट क्या है, बस के साथ ही मोशन में है, बट अपर पार्ट जो है वो रेस्ट में रहने की कोशिश करता है. जैसे ही बेटा बस ने ब्रेक, ड्राइवर ने ब्रेक अप्लाई किए, बस रुक जाएगी, हमारी बॉडी का लोअर पार्ट भी रुक जाएगा, बट अपर पार्ट क्या है, इट टेंड्स टू रिमेन इन अ मोशन. वो मोशन में रहने की कोशिश करेगा. कोशिश करेगा मीन्स वो अपोज कर रहा है, और अपोज करता है कौन, इनर्शिया. तो ड्यू टू इनर्शिया वी फॉल फॉरवर्ड. हमें जर्क फील होगा बेटा, फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में हम आगे की तरफ झटका खाएंगे. ठीक है. सेम बेटा जब भी चलती हुई बस स्टैंड पर रुक गई, आप बस में चढ़ गए, अब बस रुकी हुई है. ठीक है. जैसे ही ड्राइवर ने बस को मूव किया तो हम एकदम से पीछे की तरफ जाते हैं. क्यों जाते हैं पीछे की तरफ, बेटा बस रेस्ट पे थी, हमारी बॉडी का लोअर पार्ट भी रेस्ट पे था, बट अपर पार्ट क्या है, मोशन में रहने की कोशिश कर रहा है. इट मीन्स इट टेंड्स टू रिमेन इन अ मोशन बाय अपोजिंग, एंड अपोजिंग इज इनर्शिया. ओके. Next is our inertia. What is inertia? Student, every object opposes the change in the state of motion and it tends to remain in the state of rest. And the mass of an object is a measure of inertia. It means the heavier the object has, more inertia than the lighter object. In car and cycle, car has more inertia. In cart and train has more inertia. So student, more the mass, more the inertia. Okay. Some incident based on the Newton first law of motion. First, leaves may get detached while shaking the branch of a tree vigorously. So students, whenever you observe that when you shake the branch of a tree, leaves get separate, leaves detach, they fell down. Why? Because when we shake the branch, the shake comes in the motion, but leaves remain to tense in the rest and they fall down. Second, when the motion of a vehicle change, the passenger tends to fall and feel jerks in a backward or forward direction. This is the example of bus, student. Whenever suddenly brakes apply, we fall in a backward direction or forward direction, and when a bus suddenly stop, we tends to fall in a backward direction. This is the example of bus. Third one is separation of dirt particle from carpet while hitting with the sticks. Student, whenever your mother is doing dusting, she hits the carpet, bed sheet with the stick, and you see that the dust particle come out. Why the dust particles came out, student? You are hitting the carpet. Because the carpet comes in the motion, but dust particles still tends to remain in the rest, and due to inertia they comes out. Grooves is provided in a saucer placing a teacup. Student, you see that in a plate there is a grooves made for the size same as the cup. Why? So that the cup didn't fall down and tea is not spilled down. Okay. Hitting the hammer from back of its handle by carpenter. Students, sometimes you see that carpenter, even if your father is doing some work with the hammer at the home, he is still hitting the handle backward side of a hammer. Why? Because due to inertia, the upper part, iron part, can't detach from the hammer. Let's check yourself. Question number first, define inertia. So student, this is the answer of your first question. The natural tendency up to inertia. Second, define the first law of Newton. This is your second answer, student. And two example you can give from here. Third question, in which direction passenger will feel jerk when the bus start moving? So student, when bus start moving, the passengers feel the jerk in the backward direction. This is your third answer. And the last question is, which has more inertia, car or a bus? That is car. Bicycle and motorcycle, motorcycle. Cart and a train, that is train. I think this worksheet is clear up to you because it is related to your daily life situations. And if you like that worksheet and if you learn about the inertia and the first law of motion, then please like, share and subscribe our channel Learning Light to get more notifications of worksheets. Thank you.